Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the details of the MUSETEX ATX PC case Y6, just a quick reminder that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below, so be sure to check it out for the best deal. The MUSETEX ATX PC case Y6 is a striking choice for gamers and PC builders who want both aesthetics and functionality in one package. Featuring a sleek black matte finish and dual tempered glass panels that open up to a 270 degrees full view, this mid-tower case offers a visually stunning showcase for your high-end components. The wide visibility is perfect for those who take pride in their build, allowing you to display your GPU, cooling system, and even collectibles with ease. One of the standout features of this case is the excellent airflow setup. It comes pre-installed with three 120mm fans, ensuring your system stays cool even during intense gaming sessions or heavy workloads. Additionally, it supports a 360mm radiator at the top, which is ideal for custom liquid cooling setups. The internal layout is thoughtfully designed with a tool-free snap-on panel system, making installation and upgrades hassle-free. Compatibility is another strong point here. The case supports GPUs up to 400mm in length, CPU coolers up to 176mm in height, and power supplies up to 200mm, which covers a vast range of mainstream hardware. This flexibility makes it a great choice for DIY enthusiasts who want to customize their rigs without worrying about space constraints. Connectivity is modern and convenient, featuring USB 3.2 Type-C, USB 3.0, and other interfaces on the front panel. This ensures fast data transfer and easy connection to new generation peripherals, enhancing your overall user experience. Pros: elegant and high-end black matte finish with expansive tempered glass panels for a 270 degrees view. Pre-installed 3x120mm fans plus support for a 360mm radiator for excellent cooling. Spacious and well-organized interior with tool-free panel removal. Supports large GPUs, tall CPU coolers, and standard PSUs. Modern front panel I/O including USB 3.2 Type-C for fast connectivity. Cons: the black matte finish, while stylish, can attract fingerprints and smudges. Tempered glass panels, though beautiful, require careful handling during installation. And summary: the MUSETEX ATX PC case Y6 is a fantastic choice for gamers and PC builders seeking a stylish, spacious, and well-ventilated case that supports a wide range of hardware. Don't forget, the link to grab this case at a discount is pinned in the first comment below, so make sure to click on it before you go. Thank you for reading our review, and happy building.